Right friends, welcome back to Abbreviations. This is 12th module and look at the first one, RTGS. RTGS is a real-time gross settlement. All of you are well aware. This is for high value transactions. Minimum prescribed is rupees 2 lakhs. There is no maximum limit and each and every transaction will be recorded in the books of Reserve Bank of India. So RTGS is for high value transactions and it will not be categorized under retail transactions, so please don't forget. ATM, all of you are well aware, ATM is automated teller machine. PPP has got two meanings. First is purchasing power parity. When we are talking about GDP of various countries, when we are talking about gross domestic product of various countries, they are on nominal basis, they are on purchasing power parity basis. So there are two ways of expressing GDP, on nominal basis as well as purchasing power parity basis. And if you look at other meaning for PPP, that is a public-private partnership. If a project is executed with the partnership of government entity as well as private party, if new airport is to be constructed, land will be given by the government and maybe some financing may be done by the government and subsequently revenue will be shared as per the agreed terms. Some private party will bring in the capital and will construct the airport. So there will be some terms and conditions under public-private partnership. So please don't forget, public-private partnership is with the partnership of government and private entities creating assets is PPP. CACP, Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices. This CACP recommends minimum support price to the Government of India. CACP recommends minimum support price to Government of India and subsequently government notifies the minimum support price. APY is Atal Pension Yojana. Based on your contribution, once you cross 60 years, you will get monthly pension of rupees 1000 or rupees 2000 or rupees 3000 or rupees 4000 or rupees 5000. That means from rupees 1000 to rupees 5000 based on your contribution, and your contribution depends on your age, and the age prescribed is between 18 to 40 years and you will get pension after 60 years only. Mudra is Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency. Mudra is Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency, and this is basically with a view to support micro enterprises and informal organizations. For them, getting finance is very difficult in the organized financial system, and accordingly this Mudra concept was devised. This is Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency, and the maximum limit kept at present is rupees 10 lakhs for each and every enterprise. DDUGJY, this is Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana. The main purpose of Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana is to provide uninterrupted power supply in rural areas by separating agriculture feeder as well as domestic feeders. By separating domestic feeder and agriculture feeders, the main purpose of this mission is to provide 24-hour supply, power supply to the domestic households in rural areas. Look at the next one, BBPS. BBPS is Bharat Bill Payment System. What is the main purpose of Bharat Bill Payment System? The main purpose of Bharat Bill Payment System is unifying different types of retail payments. In India, we have several types of retail payments and the methodology of payment is also different. With a view to unify these retail payments, this Bharat Bill Payment System was devised. Look into the next one, SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. This Shanghai Cooperation Organization, previously known as Shanghai 5, but at present it has got 6 countries as its members, including China and Russia. China and Russia, and 4 Central Asian countries. And India and Pakistan will become members shortly, as SCO agreed India and Pakistan to become full-fledged members. BBB Bank's Board Bureau, basically to recommend appointments at higher positions and also to devise various methods to run the banking operations efficiently. That means to suggest measures to raise the finance from the market. Not only that, to reduce non-performing assets. Keeping all these things in mind, Bank's Board Bureau is contemplated, right? And this will be established shortly. APEC, all of you are well aware, this is economic bloc of 21 Pacific Rim countries with headquarters at Singapore, established in the year 1989, please don't forget. AOA is Articles of Association. This determines the rules for running the company. Rules and regulations for running the company is determined, and company is to run as per Articles of Association or AOA. Let us look at the next one, MOU. MOU is a Memorandum of Understanding, and this is the intended line of action so as to complete certain task. You can say it is informal agreement between two parties or more than two parties so as to accomplish a task, and it is the line of action contemplated and it is the intended action. It is not legally binding. That's why several memorandum of understandings will not be successful subsequently. Many firms execute memorandum of understanding, but ultimately they will result in the final action in some cases only. So the informal agreement between two parties or more parties to complete certain tasks so as to accomplish a certain task is a memorandum of understanding. AIIB, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, all of you are well aware, this is being established in China with Beijing as the headquarters. NDB, New Development Bank or BRICS Bank, being established with headquarters at Shanghai, all of you are well aware. DBTL, Direct Benefit Transfer for LPG, and this is also known as PAHAL. You will pay for LPG cylinder at market price and you will get subsidy into your bank accounts. DMIC, Delhi Mumbai Industrial Corridor. Delhi Mumbai Industrial Corridor passes through 6 states basically to promote industrial development in that region. It consists of 6 states: Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, please don't forget. NHAI, this is National Highways Authority of India. So as to promote the infrastructure development of national highways, this was established as an autonomous body in the year 1988 under the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. This is autonomous body under the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, established in the year 1988 so as to promote the development of national highways, please don't forget. VNO is Virtual Network Operator. Without owning the network, providing the services comes under Virtual Network Operator. He does not own the network, but he provides the services, that is Virtual Network Operator. Looking to try Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, this is a statutory body established in the year 1997 so as to regulate telecom operations in the country. CPEC is the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. This China-Pakistan Economic Corridor connects Gwadar Port in Arabian Sea with Kashgar in China. This passes through Pak-occupied Kashmir. Please don't forget, India objected to it. So CPEC is China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. BCIM is Bangladesh, China, India, Myanmar Corridor. BCIM is Bangladesh, China, India, Myanmar corridor, and this passes through 4 countries but not much headway. UAN, Universal Account Number. Universal Account Number is given by the Provident Fund Authority. For each and every customer, that will be unique account number, that is a universal account number. This is given by Employees Provident Fund Organization. Please don't forget, this universal account number is given by EPFO. Please don't forget. Look at the next one, PURA or PURA. This is a provision of urban amenities in rural areas. This is the brainchild of APJ Abdul Kalam, but it could not take off on the expected lines. With this, let us conclude this abbreviations. With this, for the time being, we are closing this series with 12 modules, and we hope that you enjoyed these abbreviations lectures. And with this 12, we are concluding this abbreviations series. Right? Have a nice day. Thank you.